shapes, geometrical shapes, right? Okay, now student, just wait. Anyone have idea what is this? Tell me in a chat box. In a chat box. I'm waiting for your answer in a chat box. What is this? Anyone have idea? I want answer in chat box. It is what? Tell me. It's a electricity pole. Electric bill, no. It's electricity pole. What is this? It's a electricity pole. It's a electricity pole. Now I'm going to highlight with red color. It is visible properly to everyone. Yes, it's electricity pole. Very good. Now I'm going to highlight. Right? Yes or no? I'm highlighting with red color. It is visible properly? Yes, it is. What it is? I'm going to highlight. It is what? Very nice, Abdul. After, I'm not going to start any explanation. And before that, you're giving the answer. It's a right angle. Very nice. Okay. This is a right angle. Now, the next child. Next image. Okay. So now tell me. Yes. Which image is there? First of all, tell me which image is there? Which image is there? No, I'm not going to ask for the angle. I'm not going to. Yes, it's a pizza. Very good. It's a pizza. Okay. Now I'm going to show here with black color. Look at there. Black color. This is what? One angle. Black color is also what? I'm going to highlight on pizza image. One angle. This is the black color. It is a black color. Okay. Yes, very good. Now the next one is, okay. So student, look at here everyone. Now I'm going to share you the whiteboard. Okay. Yes. So look at here. One angle I'm going to draw here. Okay. No, don't send the answer in chat box. I'm going to explaining you now. Don't send the answer in chat box. Only listen properly. And after my explanation, anyone have doubt, then ask me the question. Okay? Now don't tell any answer in chat box. Okay. Now tell me, one angle I'm going to draw here. One angle I'm going to draw here. It is in a 90 degree. It is in a 90 degree, right? One angle I'm going to draw here on whiteboard. It is in a 90 degree. 90 degree angle. We call that right angle. 90 degree angle. 90 degree. In 90 degree, we call that the right angle. We call that the right angle. Right angle is always in a straight. Right angle is always in a straight. Still here clear everyone? Right angle is always in a straight. It is in a 90 degree. It is in a 90 degree, right? Yes or no? Okay. Did you understand everyone? So keep it mind properly. The right angle. What is the measurement of right angle? Right angle is always in a 90 degree. Yes or no? After explanation, I'm going to ask you the questions, right? So keep it in a properly mind. The right angle is always in a 90 degree. Keep it the measurement properly in your mind. Right angle is always in a 90 degree. Yes, good. Now I'm going to write here next. Next angle is I'm going to highlight with blue color. Look at here. Yes. Now look at here. It's a less than 90. It's a less than 90. Okay. Now look at here. In a 90 degree, this line is always straight, right? In a 90 degree, this line is straight. But in an acute angle, second one is which one? Acute angle. Second one is which one? Acute angle. In an acute angle, the angle is always less than 90. In an acute angle, the angle is always in a less than 90. Less than 90. Till here, everyone clear? So first of all, first angle, which is we are so on a whiteboard, right angle. Right angle is always in a 90. Okay. Second one is acute angle. Acute angle is always less than 90. Less than 90, that means 80, 70, 60, 20, 10. In this way. Okay. Less than 90 means what? If suppose 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, we call that acute angle. We call that acute angle. Okay. Now, we will go to the third one. Third one angle is okay. Third one angle is yes. Now third one angle is our obtuse angle. Third one angle is what? Obtuse angle. Okay. I written here in short. Obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is always more than 90. Keep it in a mind. Right angle is always in a 90. Acute angle is less than 90. And the obtuse angle is more than 90. More than 90. That means if suppose obtuse angle measurement is given in this way, more than 90 means if suppose 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 160, 170, 180, and this way your obtuse angle is there, right? So first one again I'm going to tell you right angle. Right angle is in a straight. That means it is in a 90 degree. Acute angle is always less than 90. That means always less than 90 means 50, 60, right? And the third one, which one our last angle? That is obtuse angle. Which one angle? That is obtuse angle. And obtuse angle is always more than 90. Obtuse angle is always more than 90, right? Till here clear? Yes, students? Till here clear, everyone? If suppose clear, then type capital Y. If suppose clear, then type capital Y. Okay. Now just I'm going to ask some question. Yes, Prajwal, understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now just again I'm going to share you one PDF. Okay. Everyone watch properly. Okay. So this image, okay. Now I'm going to explain again one time. Everyone give the concentration properly. After that, again I'm going to ask you the questions. In front of you, 3 angles are given, right?
Yes.
In front of you, yes, okay, mute yourself, beta. In front of you, 3 angles I already given to you with measurement. With measurement, okay. Now, I'm going to explaining you one by one again. The first one, here sequence is not given properly. Which I am given you sequence, that is right angle, acute angle or obtuse angle. It is not compulsory every time you want to learn in a sequence wise angle. Okay. First one here, acute angle. I already explaining you the acute angle is always less than 90. Is always less than 90. That means it's a 62 degree, right? Here what given? 62 degree. Acute angle is always less than 90. Now go to the next one. Next one is right angle. Right angle is always in a straight, is always in a 90. Okay, is always in a 90. So here not less than 90, not more than 90. It is always in a straight line. It is always in a 90 degree. And the third one is, that is last one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is what? It is also the more than 90. That means acute angle and obtuse angle are opposite, right? Obtuse angle and acute angles are opposite. Obtuse angle is what? More than 90. That means here what given? 135 degree. 135 degree. That means it is a obtuse angle. That means it is a obtuse angle. Right, student? Now, the next image. Now, I given you one image. You want to identify here. Okay? You want to identify? Now, the next child, that is Nimish Ujjait. Yes, Nimish beta.
Yes.
Okay. Just beta, I'm going to highlight one image. You want to identify the answer. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Anil sir, it is audible, then give me the idea, okay?
Yes,
It is audible
Do you
or
know
visible?
how these angles are formed?
it's audible now.
How to form an angle using a sheet of paper. Take a sheet of paper, fold the paper to form a crease. Now, fold the paper in another direction to form another crease intersecting the previous crease. Draw two lines along the crease. Angles are formed at the point of intersection of two lines. Angle. An angle is formed when two rays meet at a common endpoint. Vertex of an angle. The common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle. O is the vertex. Arms of an angle. The two rays are called the arms of the angle. OP and OQ are the arms of the angle. Symbol for an angle. Symbol used for representing an angle is an angle. An angle can be named in two ways. An angle can be named using its vertex, that is angle O. This way of naming an angle is not possible if there is more than one angle from a vertex. An angle can be named using three letters. The name of a point on one ray, vertex, and a point on the other ray. That is angle POQ. Interior of an angle. The region between the rays is called the interior of an angle. The point R is in the interior of the angle. Exterior of an angle. The region out.
Okay, students, now look at here. You understood the meaning of angle? If suppose you understood the meaning of angle, then type capital Y in chat box. If suppose you understood the meaning of angle, then type capital Y. Meaning of angle. I am asking you the meaning of angle. I am not asking the types of angle. I am not asking the types of angle. Yes or no? Meaning of angle. Everyone clear? Now the second question is, after that again I am going to ask you some questions.
As you know, an angle is formed by two rays that have a common point. Here, ray QP and ray QR are called the two arms of the angle. The common point Q is the vertex of the angle. We write this angle using letters and symbols as. When naming an angle, the vertex is always the middle letter of the three letters, or only the vertex is used. The other two letters in the name of an angle may be interchanged. We read it as angle PQR or angle RQP or angle Q. Now, let's solve a few examples. Read each angle.
Okay. Now student, look at here. The first one angle. Okay. Look at. I'm going to show you the whiteboard again. With the help of whiteboard. Okay. Now look at here.